If you want to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra but you don't remember the password to your phone, if you cannot unlock it, if you try to shut it down and it asks you to enter the password, then here's what you need to do. So to factory reset your phone, in this case you will have to go to the recovery mode, which is a little bit tricky because we cannot shut down the phone, which is necessary to go to the recovery mode. So still, we will have to prepare a USB cable, a computer or a laptop, and we will have to connect our phone to our computer in a second. But first, we will have to force restart our phone. In order to force restart your phone, you will have to press and hold the power button and the volume down button, and you will have to hold these buttons for approximately 7 seconds until the screen shuts down. Once the screen shuts down, you will have to connect the phone to your computer or laptop via USB cable. And once you plug it in, immediately after that, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up button. And then once you see the Samsung logo, you can just hold volume up only. So let's give it a try. First, I'm gonna press and hold power and volume down. And just keep holding, wait for the screen to shut down. And then plug the USB cable in and press and hold power and volume up. Now, here is another thing about S26 Ultra. Unfortunately, it takes quite a bit of time to force restart. I'm not sure why is that, or maybe it's just my case, but in my case, unfortunately, it takes quite a bit of time to turn itself, to let the phone turn itself back on after force restarting. This means that you have to hold the power button and volume up button for quite a bit of time, even up to a minute or so, before the phone turns on. So just patiently wait for the Samsung logo to appear. And then once you see it, as I mentioned before, just let go the power button, there we go, and just hold the volume up. Now we should go to the recovery mode. There we go, we can let go the volume up button as well. In this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons. And of course, we want to select wipe data / factory reset. Confirm your choice by using the power button, and if needed, go through additional instructions that you might see on this screen. And if you happen to go back to this main menu of recovery mode after resetting the phone, just choose reboot system now and confirm by pressing the power button in order to restart your phone. And of course, you can also unplug the USB cable, you don't need it anymore. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.